The bravery and courage of Hazrat Ali is proverb. He neither murdered his weak enemy nor chased the escaped one. He never turned towards the booty in the battlefield. When any war finished, then Hazrat Ali used to holding blood-soaked sword, and there was perspiration on his forehead like pearls. Hazrat Ali was kind-hearted and ibadat guzar. In addition to bravery, during wars he used to instruct that nobody keeps right to harm the animals, cut the trees, and pollute the water. Hazrat Ali is also called Haider, which means a counter-attacker. He never escaped from the battlefield. On the occasion of his marriage, he sold his armor to pay haq meher. He said, Wallah, the son of Abu Talib loves more the martyrdom as the child loves the breast of his mother. If I am left alone, then I'll come out for competition. He said, فَوَاللَّهِ إِنِّي عَلَى الْحَقِّ وَإِنِّي لِلشَّهَادَةِ لَمُحِبٌّ Wallah, I am on the right and love martyrdom with all of my heart and soul. Rasul Khuda sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted Hazrat Ali the sword Hatima, which means breaker of sword, while his second famous sword was Zulfikar, which keeps two branches. During Ghazwa Badr, Hazrat Ali killed 35 infidels. In this way, he was the man of war of Ghazwa Badr. During Ghazwa Khandaq, the sister of Amr ibn Abde was said on his corpse, the killer of my brother. That is, Hazrat Ali is a brave and gentleman who didn't insult the cause of my brother. While during Ghazwa Khaybar, Marhab's sister Layla said about Hazrat Ali that he didn't take off the most valuable armor of my brother. On the occasion of Fateh Makkah, Hazrat Ali broke the famous idol Habal. He said in one of his sermons as Allahumma innaka ta'lamu annahu lam yakun allazi kana minna munafasatan fi sultan. Ya Allah, our war is for your pleasure. Walal timasa shayin min fazulil hutam. It isn't for domination, power, wealth, or for the sake of the world. وَنُظْهِرَ الْإِصْلَاحَ فِي بِلَادِكَ. It is for to generate peace and prosperity in your cities. وَتُقَامَ الْمُوَطَّلَاتَ مِنْ حَدُودِكَ. And let your commandments continue.